and distribute the prize. So I would like to call ma'am, please come on the stage.
And everybody clap.
Clap. Give a big hand. Okay. Now,
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आप लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से अपना को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट किए हैं और जो भी आप लोग हर एक्टिविटी में विनर है आज उसको प्राइज मिलेगा और जो नहीं विन किए हैं वो अपना प्रयास जारी रखेंगे। ओके, और नेक्स्ट टाइम आप लोग ज़्यादा कोशिश करेंगे और प्राइज जीतने का प्रयास करेंगे, ठीक है?
now I would like to call Abu Bakr Siddiqui. I would like to call Abu Bakr Siddiqui, who got first prize in fancy dress competition from class nursery. So clap for him. Now I would like to call Sri. I would like to call Sri from nursery. Okay. Now I would like to call Pratik Kumar. I would like to call Pratik Kumar. He stood third position in fancy dress competition. Now I would like to call Adhishta Sinha. Adhishta Sinha from LKG. She stood first position in fancy dress competition. Now I would like to call Mahi Singh. She stood second position. Mahi of LKG. She stood second position in fancy dress competition. Okay, Mahi wants to recite a poem.
गोल गोल पानी मेरी मम्मी रानी मेरे पापा राजा फल खाएंगे ताजा सोने की चिड़िया चांदी का दरवाजा उसमें से कौन निकला मेरा भैया राजा।
वेरी गुड।
Very good, Mahi, for your such a nice poem. Now I would like to call Shyama Kumar of LKG. Now I would like to call Akars Dev. Akars Dev, he stood first position in fancy dress competition. Akars Dev of UKG.
आकर्ष आकर्ष आकर्ष
Now I would like to call Yuvraj Raj of UKG. He stood second position. Now I would like to call Shreyans, who stood third position in fancy dress competition. Now I would like to call Gungun of standard first. I would like to call Gungun of standard first. She stood first position in English poem. Now I would like to call Praveen Kumar. I would like to call Praveen Kumar of Standard 1. Moving forward, I would like to call Alia Irshad. Alia Irshad. She stood third position in her class for English poem, for reciting English poem. Now I would like to call Rudra Roy. Rudra Roy, who stood first position in his class for reciting Hindi poem. Rudras, come fast, Rudras. Rudras. Now I would like to call Ritik Raj, who stood second position in his class for reciting Hindi poem. Now I would like to call Dev Raj, who stood third position in his class for reciting Hindi poem. Now, moving forward, I would like to call Ananya from Standard 2. Ananya from Standard 2, who stood first position for reciting English poem. Now and again, stop, Ananya, stop. And again, she is such an intelligent girl. She got double prize, double first prize in both English and Hindi poem. So please give for her a big hand. She got 2 first prizes in English as well as in Hindi respectively. Now I would like to call Shubh Shreya. Now I would like to call Shubh Shreya from Standard 2. She stood second position for reciting English poem. Now I would like to call Shubh Shreya. Shubh Shreya. Right here. Okay, she is also one of the luckiest girl. She got two prize of second prize for English and as well as Hindi poem. Now I would like to call Ashish Raj from Standard 2, who got third prize in English poem for reciting English poem. Now I would like to call Trisha Rani of Standard 2. She got third position in reciting Hindi poem. So please clap for him, for her.